The roar of the lion echoes through the plains, a powerful reminder of the untamed forces that rule this land. The king of the jungle stands as a symbol of strength and majesty, commanding respect and awe. To witness a lion in its natural habitat is to experience the raw power and primal beauty of nature. This is the start of a safari adventure, a journey into the heart of the animal kingdom. As you traverse the savannah, you'll encounter herds of elephants, their majestic presence a testament to the grandeur of the wild. These gentle giants move with a grace that belies their size, their familial bonds a touching display of unity and strength. It's a chance to witness some of the most incredible creatures on Earth in their natural habitat. Giraffes, with their long necks and elegant stride, graze peacefully in the grasslands. Their serene presence adds a touch of tranquility to the wild, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains this ecosystem. Get ready to be amazed by the power, grace, and sheer beauty of Africa's wildlife. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, showcases its incredible speed and agility as it hunts in the plains. Every movement is a testament to the precision and prowess of nature's design. In Africa, the wild is not just a place, it's a living, breathing entity that captivates and inspires all who venture into its embrace. As the day draws to a close, the savannah is bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. The silhouettes of animals against the horizon create a breathtaking tableau, a fitting end to a day of adventure and discovery. The call of the wild is a call to connect with nature, to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the world around us. It's an invitation to step out of the ordinary and into the extraordinary, to experience the magic of Africa in all its glory. Savannah is a breathtaking landscape, where the horizon seems to blend seamlessly with the sky. The golden hues of the grasslands create a mesmerizing tapestry that dances with the wind, inviting you to explore its endless beauty. As you stand there, you can almost feel the pulse of the earth beneath your feet, a reminder of the ancient rhythms that have shaped this land for millennia. The sun rises, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Each dawn brings a new beginning, a fresh canvas for the day ahead. The colors of the sunrise are a symphony of light, a celebration of the natural world's artistry. As the first rays of sunlight touch the ground, they awaken the savannah, bringing warmth and life to every corner. The beauty of the sunrise is a daily reminder of the wonders that nature holds, a spectacle that never ceases to amaze. This is the African savannah, a place teeming with life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a vital role in this intricate ecosystem. The savannah is a living, breathing entity where the cycle of life and death unfolds in a delicate balance. Here you can witness the raw power of nature, the struggle for survival, and the beauty of coexistence. The diversity of wildlife is astounding, each species contributing to the rich tapestry of life that defines the savannah. Wildlife expert, media, African savanna acacia trees, landscape safari. Acacia trees dot the landscape, their branches reaching towards the sky like welcoming arms. These iconic trees are a symbol of the savannah, providing shelter and sustenance to countless animals. The acacia's thorny branches offer protection, while its leaves and pods are a source of nourishment. The air is alive with the sounds of birdsong and the rustling of leaves. The symphony of nature is ever present, a constant reminder of the vibrancy of life. Each bird's call is unique, adding to the rich tapestry of sounds that define the savannah. The rustling leaves create a soothing backdrop, a gentle whisper of the wind that carries the stories of the land. The sounds of the savannah are a testament to the harmony that exists within this ecosystem, a melody that resonates with the soul. This is a place of incredible biodiversity, a true masterpiece of nature. The savannah is home to an astonishing array of plants and animals, each contributing to the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Giraffes to the elusive leopards, every species has a role to play. The savannah's biodiversity is a source of wonder and inspiration. The king of the jungle, the lion. These majestic creatures command respect with their powerful build and thunderous roar. Tourist lions are social animals, often found in prides led by a dominant male. Witnessing a pride stalk its prey is a sight that will stay with power and instinct that exists in the wild. Largest land mammal on Earth, the elephant. These magnificent creatures roam the vast plains, their presence a symbol of the wild and untamed beauty of Africa. Elephants are known for their incredible memory and social bonds, often traveling in close-knit family groups led by a matriarch. Their sheer size and strength are awe-inspiring, yet they are known for their gentle nature, often showing remarkable empathy and care for one another. These gentle giants are a sight to behold, their wrinkled skin and massive tusks, a testament to their age and wisdom. Each wrinkle tells a story of survival and resilience in the harsh environment of the savanna. Their tusks, used for digging and foraging, are also a reminder of the threats they face from poaching. Despite these challenges, elephants continue to thrive, their presence a vital part of the ecosystem. Local tracker. And then, there are the giraffes, their long necks reaching for the highest branches. These towering wonders are perfectly adapted to their environment, their long necks allowing them to access food sources that other animals cannot. Watching a giraffe feed is like witnessing a ballet, their movements slow and deliberate, yet incredibly graceful. Their unique spot patterns are like fingerprints. No two are exactly alike, making each giraffe a unique individual. Giraffes are also social animals, often seen in groups known as towers. Their interactions are fascinating to observe, from gentle necking displays to playful chases. Seeing them up close is a truly humbling experience. The majesty of these animals in their natural habitat is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. For many, a safari is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to connect with nature in a profound way. The sight of an elephant herd or a tower of giraffes moving across the savanna is a memory that stays with you forever. Antelope, with their incredible speed and agility, dart through the grasslands. The predator and prey relationship is a constant reminder of the circle of life. Suddenly, a flash of movement catches your eye. It's a heart-stopping moment, a reminder of the wildness that surrounds you. As you encounter these incredible creatures, it's important to remember that you are a visitor in their home. One of the most fascinating aspects of a safari adventure is witnessing the circle of life unfold before your very eyes. Safari adventure is not just a trip, it's a transformative experience. It's a chance to connect with nature on a primal level and witness the beauty of the wild firsthand.